Okay, Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. I'm here at the BafokengStadium. Kaizer Chiefs just lost 1-0 to Super Sport. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Yeah, Manesh, man, this game, man, game is sharp. It just fell up. Players are Chiefs, man. They are not hungry, my brother, man.
Yeah.
They don't play like the hungry players. But when I fell up on my brother, at the end of the day, Nagara coachy is useless. But coachy, I don't see any problem. Those players, my brother, but it seems like that they are happy. They don't even care how many people get hurt. Those people, they're just playing for their money, for their pockets. They are not hungry players, my brother. Even those small boys, I think one sense I've had those small boys a chance. And yeah, when I don't coach you, it's one of those days, yeah. And I understand. It's just the pressure from the supporters. But
It's very tough. Yeah.
I don't think even the management or Chiefs, I don't think they can fire Zwan for this game steady fitting. That guy is a coach. He just he must just get the players already hungry. They're hungry for games. Those people, they're not hungry, my brother. Even they don't care even for Chiefs. They don't understand better Chiefs. What does it mean? So for one, stadium so wherever they go, stadium but
They don't care.
They don't play like a person who's playing like a hungry player. You can see him. Never lost Super Sport. All those people that are all crocs. But that's why my brother. Those people, Basera, all crocs, and then. But those people, you can see them when they play. They are hungry. They play like hungry players. More than us. Us, we just play like, we are just casual, my friend. Even if I can take a team in the street, the hungry team in the street, they can beat us. Because we are not even hungry for the games. Thanks, my friend.
Thank you very much, my